Good evening, Kevin. This is a quick movie about the 131 as we brought it back from the trade show. Just give you a quick picture from around the machine. Here at the bottom you have your oscillation motor, and I'll show you the inside. This is belt tensioning. This is your main motor. This is your exhaust. Then we have the lever where you can adjust up and down from the bottom so that you can use the entire belt. Then at the bottom here you have a small cabinet where you can store things. And then on this side you have the adjustment to make it parallel to the grinding head. The machine has the improvement which we made, which you see here, which is a backing for the grinding belt, so that when you push against it you have a more parallel edge. You see the electrical cabinet according to our modifications. The electrical cabinet has a frequency inverter for the main motor for a quick stop, a Toshiba, and it has all CSA UL approved components on the inside, a Klöckner-Miller main contactor, then actual motor starters from Eaton, and fuses, the main switch, a regulated 24-volt power supply. It does not have the e-stop relay in it. That you may have to retrofit. And then you see here on the side of the inverter you see the brake resistor so that we can stop fast. Okay, anyway, so this you turn the machine on. At that point you get a white light. Now you can turn the belt on, turn it on with the delay. You pick your belt RPM, and then this is your oscillation. Turn the oscillation on, and that starts. These are your micro adjusters, so you can very finely adjust the in and out on both sides. Then we'll have a weld like this. Take it apart, and I'm going to do this single-handedly now. And then, oops, sorry. And then you have this primary finish. I know it's kind of hard to see. But you see the welding is pretty even all around. The art but actually if you painted that would paint fine with a little bit of oscillation. They are totally smooth against the side. And I will finish that part and I will send it to you. And then you can see what those edges are. Alright. I hope this serves as a demo. Again, you turn off here, turn off here, and you see how quick the belt stops from going to stopping. Under a second, and that is because we have the brake resistor in the machine. That is a Fabtech 131. I'll turn off for a second and then show you the inside. Inside here you have the pulley that runs the belt towards the front. Then you have the oscillating device with the arm on the right side. And here on that arm you adjust for the radius that you want to produce. This is the arm that puts the center out of the middle, basically moves the center a little bit, left, right. And that is basically, the more you move the center, of course, the more you move this to the outside, the more radius you are getting. And the more you move it to the inside, the smaller the radius you are. And again, you have a scale basically with those ribs and the line that you see there. That's your adjustment there. And then you have here different positions on the excenter, where we are on the second largest one, and that determines how far you grind 90 to 90. Yes, and if you go too far, of course, then you're going to hit the sides. And then over here you have your belt tensioning adjustment, which is operated with this lever. Very simple, very mechanical, and you see it basically moving as I go to more tension or to less tension as I move over this way. Yeah, and this whole thing is shaking because I'm holding the camera with my left hand and moving the belt with my right hand. Anyway, that is the 131. Fairly simple device, but effective, and people who adjust it right for themselves get very good results. Thank you very much.